In Angola, in southwestern Africa, a modern industrial building is rising from the ground. Faced with high temperatures, strong winds, and a tight construction schedule, how to quickly build a safe, durable, and fully functional steel structure warehouse. The warehouse has a total floor area of 3,600 square meters, using a 3-span portal frame structure. Each span is 50 meters, for a total length of 72 meters. A 3-meter-high brick wall provides moisture protection. The interior features a 24 meters x 10 meters mezzanine with fire-resistant floor slabs for additional storage space, improving space utilization. The prefabricated warehouse primarily uses Q355BH steel as the main load-bearing components, and all steel components are connected with high-strength bolts. Short construction period, low labor costs, fast delivery, and a service life exceeding 50 years. Hot-dip galvanized C-shaped steel is used as purlins, and a complete set of galvanized supports serves as secondary steel components. Angola's strong wind pressure and high-temperature dryness place high demands on the structure's wind resistance, corrosion resistance, and heat insulation. Our company has specially customized the following materials. Skylights are installed for efficient natural ventilation and maximum utilization of natural light. The roof panels are made of 840 type aluminum zinc-coated corrugated steel sheets, effectively resisting heavy rains during the rainy season. The lower part of the walls is a 3-meter-high brick wall, while the upper part is made of W900 type color steel plates, combining impact resistance, durability, and lightweight, quick installation. The drainage system of the prefabricated warehouse uses a combination of galvanized gutters and PVC downpipes to ensure smooth drainage during heavy rains. The factory gate is equipped with an electric roller shutter door to adapt to strong winds. The completion of this steel structure warehouse brings multiple benefits to the client. If you are also planning a storage or production space, this prefabricated steel structure model may be an efficient solution worth considering. Please contact me if needed. Yurong provides you with one-stop steel structure building services. One choice, lifelong trust.